The move to EVO was absolutely necessary for us because it is a system that encompasses the entire company. You eliminate all interfaces, centralize, and simply become more efficient. MTW Metalltechnik is a contract manufacturer in the field of precision mechanics. We operate in the thousandths of a millimeter range and manufacture mainly complex components and assemblies on high-quality and largely automated CNC machine tools. We have now been on the market for 20 years and stand for safety and reliability. We continue to develop together with our customers. Through automation, we create additional added value and can therefore meet customer requirements, such as faster and shorter delivery times. Digitalization is one of the main topics alongside automation. If I don't digitize, automation is not possible. During the changeover, it was important to us that there would no longer be any data islands in the future that could only be networked at great expense via interfaces. Now, we can always access all data. We saw a very big advantage in the holistic approach. EVO can do everything from start to finish and doesn't need any interfaces. And in the end, that was the decisive factor in our decision. And what simply appealed to us about EVO, Mr. Widman is a specialist. He comes from a machining background and speaks our language. We have around 2,000 different tools in use. A tool can be in 10 machines, and finding it is complex and time-consuming. Now, we just have to press a button, and EVO tells us that it is in this machine, in this place. In the future, EVO will show us what it has already achieved and what service life is still available. This will be a great lever for more efficiency, and it will also be a great relief for our employees. We have been using EVO in all departments for around 3 months. Our experience so far is that the whole company has calmed down. Intermediate questions or unnecessary non-productive time due to unavailable production resources, etc., have become definitely less. EVO is already a key element that is really helping us to move forward. We are already using EVO Competition, EVO Jetstream, and EVO Tools. The communication tool EVO Teamwork and the personnel time recording system EVO Workforce are in the final stages of implementation. The collaboration with EVO has gone very well. This was also very important, as the company-wide implementation of such a system naturally reaches its limits. MTW demands perfect digitalization, as well as standardized and smooth processes. Of course, an information system like EVO helps to ensure structure and order. At MTW, the database was already very exemplary. This makes you fast, agile, and flexible, and allows you to keep delivery times as short as possible. To really get it right, every employee must be integrated into the information network, or the central information system. Everyone in the team passes on information, which is then distributed holistically via EVO. The more people are involved, the better and more intelligent the system becomes. We are in a globalized world. Changes are constantly taking place. Without a precise overview of the real production costs and much more, I personally cannot imagine how this would work in the future. We recommend EVO because we are convinced that EVO is absolutely the right partner in the metal sector.